Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech that promise to make your life easier and safer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WECOOL 4K UHD 3-channel dash cam. A device designed to give you full coverage on the road, inside your vehicle, and behind it, all in stunning 4K resolution. This dash cam is a 3-channel system, combining a 4K front camera with an HD interior and rear camera. This setup ensures every angle of your journey is captured with incredible clarity. Whether it's a collision, a traffic dispute, or just monitoring your passengers, this dash cam promises to be a reliable witness to everything that happens in and around your car. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its G sensor. In the event of a collision, the G sensor automatically locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten by the loop recording system. This gives you irrefutable evidence for insurance claims or police reports, protecting both your vehicle and your integrity. Security doesn't stop when you park your car. This dash cam offers 24/7 smart parking monitoring. When the camera detects motion or vibration while your car is parked, it automatically starts recording, alerting you to potential hit-and-run incidents or theft attempts. Keep in mind, to fully utilize this feature, a separate hard wiring kit is required. Nighttime driving is another area where this dash cam shines. With advanced full-color night vision sensors and WDR technology, this dash cam delivers crisp and bright footage across all 3 channels. This means that even in dimly lit streets or parking lots, you'll capture critical details such as license plates, road signs, and faces, ensuring nothing is left to guesswork. Installation is designed to be quick and stress-free. The dash cam can be mounted without complex wiring or damaging your car's interior. The intuitive interface and dedicated mobile app make managing your recordings simple. You can view, download, and share videos directly from your smartphone using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which allows for fast transfer speeds and seamless control. The package comes ready to use with a free 64 GB SD card, so you can start recording immediately. You'll also get all the cables you need for the front and rear cameras, a suction cup bracket, a 3M adhesive mount, and an installation assistant kit to make the setup as straightforward as possible. The loop recording function ensures continuous recording by overriding the oldest footage when the card is full, so you never have to worry about missing a moment. Compact and durable, the dash cam measures just under 4 by 3 inches and weighs slightly over a pound, making it a discreet but powerful addition to any vehicle. Its design is sleek, matte black, and built to withstand extreme weather conditions, so it can handle whatever your driving environment throws at it. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a commuter, or someone looking to add an extra layer of security for your family, this channel dash cam delivers high-quality, reliable footage with comprehensive coverage, day or night. From its easy setup to its advanced features, this dash cam is built to provide peace of mind on the road. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update on the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.